Well, I am in the middle of a thunderstorm. It wasn't from earlier, but I couldn't really see anything. Yep, I saw thunder. And, this is definitely going on my YouTube channel. Because this is actually my first thunderstorm, believe it or not. I never been in a thunderstorm. I never experienced thunderstorms until now, and I only saw thunderstorms on TV. God, I hope I'm not going to blackout this happen again. Because then that would totally suck. If the blackout happened like 2 days in a row. God, I just hope that Liam is okay. There's a thunderstorm out here, and I'm worried sick. Wait, why am I worried sick? I just can't help it, I guess. Well, such a beautiful day out here. A lot of thunder. Oh my god, wait, did I get that? I think I did, but I think I saw some visible lightning. God, it's getting bad out here. God, I hope I don't get struck by lightning today. There's actually a low chance I might get struck by lightning, but I hope that doesn't happen. I hope I don't get struck by lightning. I pray to fucking God, but I don't believe in God. I should have always said that. I should really not say that. Because, yeah, I'm gonna probably die. Oh, yeah, I got that. God, such a... It's like me over here, but more worse. Now I'm doing a voice by D. Bradley Baker. Wait, did I say his name right? Yeah, I probably said his name right. I really need to look up lightning survival guides or some shit like that. Yeah. I should probably take cover under here. Should probably be safe. I mean, I should. God, I hope I got that. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off. See you guys.